Dear students, in this example, a ball is fall from the height of 10 meter, strike the floor, rebound and attain the same height. So one thing is concluded, its initial velocity is equal to final velocity. We need to calculate the impulse imparted. First is downward motion. During the downward motion, initial velocity is, as per the sign convention, we will take negative. During the upward motion, we will take as positive. What is impulse? Impulse is change in momentum, that can be written as mass multiplied by change in velocity. So that is final velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity is positive v and both are equal. So vi is equal to vf is equal to v, minus initial velocity is negative. So it is mass v minus v. So it is v plus v. So mass multiplied by 2 times the velocity, 2mv. What is the value of v? v is equal to root 2gh. इसको डिराइव भी कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. v square minus v0 square is equal to 2gh. 2as, a is replaced by gravitational acceleration and the distance is height covered. Okay, initial velocity is 0 for free fall, so this we are taking as 0. So v square is equal to 2gh. So v is equal to root 2gh. Okay, so we use here 2m and the value of v is root 2gh. So 2 mass is given 0.15 kg under root 2. Value of g is 10. It is given in the numerical. Height is given 10 meter. Okay, 15 2s are 30. So it is 0.30. 10 will come out, so multiply by 10 under root 2. It is 30 root 2. So 30 value of root 2 is 1.4 something. 14 3s are 42 and 1 decimal point, so it is 4.2. So the impulse is equal to 4.2. Here options, wait, I will give you the options. Okay, so the options are A is 0, B is 4.2 kg meter per second, C is 2.1 kg meter per second and D is 1.4 kg meter per second. So our answer is 4.2 and unit for momentum, mass multiplied by velocity. So kg for velocity meter per second. So our option B is the correct answer.